What is absolute value? If you have problems related to absolute value in case of linear inequations, how will you solve it? If you are looking for answer of this type of questions, then this video is just for you. Watch till the end. Hello students, this is Ronita. Welcome to my channel. Let's solve with Ronita. Today we are going to talk about absolute value and we are going to solve problems related to absolute value in case of linear inequations. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so first, what do you mean by absolute value? In case of absolute value, we consider only the value of that number, not the symbol, whether it is a negative number or positive number. We will take only the value of that number. What it means, suppose you have chosen two number 3 and -3. Okay, now absolute value of 3, that will be 3, and absolute value of -3, that will be also 3. Okay, understood? So that means if you have -44, that will be 44. Okay, now mod of x, that equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0, and if it is negative number, what happened? If x less than 0, what happened? Minus x. Okay, x less than 0, that means we are considering here all the negative numbers, and that is for all x belongs to R. Okay, that is hold for all x belongs to R. Okay, clear? So in case of absolute value, we consider only the value of that number. Okay, not the symbol. Okay, now you can understand that concept in another way. Let's consider this number line. Okay, now absolute value of a number means distance of that point from 0. Now suppose x equal to 3. X equal to 3, that means this is the point. What is the distance between these 2 points? From distance from 0, that will be 3. So absolute value of 3 equal to 3 here. Now in case of -4, this is -4. Okay, now in case of -4, what is the distance from 0? See the distance from 0, that is 4. Distance is 4. Here we are considering the distance, not the direction. Okay, so in that case minus mod of -4 will be 4. Okay, clear? Now this is the concept of absolute value. If A is a real number, then mod x less than, what do you mean by mod x less than or equal to A? What it means? Mod of x less or equal to A. I have already discussed that what do you mean by mod of x, right? Here see, mod of x equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0, and minus x when x is negative number. x is less than 0. Okay, now in case of this, if you choose x from this zone, it will be like this. Okay, x less than or equal to a, and in that case minus a less than x, that means x has chosen from less than x less than 0. Okay, and here 0 আর a এর মধ্যে যে রিজিয়নটা রয়েছে সেখান থেকে যদি আমরা x চুজ করি সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি পাবো, x কে সেই সব x গুলোকে কনসিডার করতে পারবো যেগুলোর মড ভ্যালু a এর থেকে ছোট। আবার যদি আমরা এই রিজিয়নটাকে কনসিডার করি তাহলেও আমরা সেই সমস্ত ভ্যালু পাবো যার মড ভ্যালুটা a এর থেকে ছোট হয়। আচ্ছা, যদি আমরা একটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে বুঝি তাহলে কেমন হবে ব্যাপারটা। সাপোজ দিস ইজ 0 and 1 2 3 4 and -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, now suppose a equal to 3. Okay, so if you consider this region, all the value of x that is less than 3 and greater than 0, right? All the value, and if you consider this point, then it will you can write this. Okay, so here value of x is less than or equal to 3, so that satisfy here it will be mod of x less or equal to 3, right? So that satisfy this one. Now in case of this part, see this part, -3 less or equal to x, -3 less or equal to x less than 0, this part, what happened to this part? Suppose x equal to -2, then mod of x equal to 2 is less or equal to 3, right? So in case of this region, that also satisfy this thing. Okay, so you can conclude mod of x less or equal to 3, that implies -3 less or equal to x less or equal to 3. Okay, understood? So in general version, in case of a general version, mod of x less or equal to a, that implies -a less or equal to x less or equal to a, right? Understood? Now another thing, suppose mod of x greater than or equal to a. Now what it means? Again we are using number line to understand this. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, fine. Now suppose a equal to 4. Okay, so this is the point. Now first I have to consider x that is greater than a, right? X that is greater than a, that means this region, all the x that has been chosen from this region, that means x greater than or equal to 4, that satisfy this mod x
greater than or equal to 4. Is there any other region? Yes, it is. See this region. The region less than minus 4. X, when x is less than or equal to minus 4. Take an example. X equal to minus 6. Okay, x equal to minus 6. Then mod of x equal to 6. And 6 is greater than or equal to 6 is greater than 4. Yes. So that means this region also satisfy. This region means x, when x is less than or equal to minus 4, that also satisfy this one. Okay. So you can say mod x greater than or equal to a, that implies x greater than or equal to a, or x less than or equal to minus a. Okay. Now with the help of this, we are going to compute another thing. X minus a greater than or equal to r. Okay, what it means? See, that means greater than or equal to r, that means x minus a, that is greater than or equal to r, or x minus a less than or equal to minus r. Now that implies x is greater than or equal to a plus r, or x is less than or equal to a minus r. Okay. If you here I just transfer this term from this side to that side. Here also. Okay. Now another result, x minus a less or equal to r. What it means? It means minus r less or equal to x minus a less or equal to r. Okay. Now from here you can say a minus r is less than x less than or equal to a plus r. So in that case we have to find out a plus r. There will be some, if you consider this is what 0, there will be some a plus r and a minus r, or you can choose here. Okay, a plus r, a minus r, 2 points. There will be 2 points. In between that, the entire region will be here. Okay. Now with the help of this result, we are going to solve some problems. Okay. So here I am going to solve this question. See, mod of 2x plus 3, that is less than 2. Now you can write it like in this way. Okay. If you consider this portion, 2x plus 3 is less than 2. That implies 2x is less than minus 1. That implies x is less than minus 1 by 2. Okay. X is less than minus 1 by 2. And next part, minus 2 less than 2x plus 3. That implies minus 2 minus 3. If you transfer 3 from this side to that side, minus 3 is less than 2x. Okay, so it will become minus 5 less than 2x. That implies minus 5 by 2 is less than x. Okay, so the solution set will be, you can write it in interval form. Or else you can write like this,
minus 5 by 2 is less than x less than minus 1 by 2. Obviously minus 5 by 2 is less than minus 1 by 2. So you can write like this or else this. This is
Right.
interval form.
This implies 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to 7 or 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 7. Okay, sorry, minus 7. Now it gives you 3x greater than or equal to 7 minus 2, that will be 5. 3x greater than or equal to 5, that means x greater than or equal to 5 by 3. Now here you can say 3x less than or equal to minus 9, x is less than or equal to minus 9 by 3, it will become minus 3. Okay, so there are two regions. See, there are two regions. One is less than minus 3. That means if you draw it like this, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then the entire region, this region will be there. Okay, so you can write it in interval form like minus infinity, comma, minus 3, there will be the third bracket, semi, this is called semi-closed interval, union, this one, this region also. Okay, so 5 by 3, if this is 1, this is 2, then 5 by 3 will be here, some here. Okay, in between 1 and 2 there will be 5 by 3, and okay, and x, see the region, x greater than or equal to 5 by 3, that means this region, so it will become, if you write it in interval format, it will be like this. Okay, that is our solution set. Understood? Mod of x plus 4 is less than 2. If you write it, it will be like this, minus 2 less than x plus 4 less than 2, right? And another minus 4 x less than 2 minus 4, so it will become minus 6 less than x less than minus 2. Okay, now find the number of integer values of x. Solution set x belongs to, that is greater than minus 6, and if you consider only the integer, see the question, in this question is given that only integer values. Okay, so minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Okay, no other value will be there because this is minus 2, so only 3 values will be there. Number of integer values, see the question, find the number of integer values, so it will be minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, so that means 3 ভ্যালু আসতে পারে, তাহলে কোন অপশন ঠিক হবে? অবশ্যই অপশন সি। Now this question, find the solution set of the inequation. Inequation is mod x minus 1 that is greater than minus 2.
So if you write it like this, mod x minus 1 is greater than minus 2, you can write like this, x minus 1 that is greater than minus 2, or x minus 1 that is less than minus of minus 2, that means 2. Okay, so here you can write like x greater than 1 minus 2, that means x greater than minus 1, and here x less than 2 plus 1, that means x less than 3. So it's minus 1 less than x less than 3. So you can write like this, minus 1 and open interval minus 1. Now see this question. The following sentences are the steps involved in solving the inequation mod of 5x plus 4 that is greater than 5x minus 4. Arrange in sequential order from first to last. Step gulo diyeche. Step A, that is 10x less than 0. Step B, 5x plus 4 less than minus 5x plus 4, or 5x plus 4 that is greater than 5x minus 4. Step number C, that is x less than 0. Step number D, that is 5x plus 4 less than minus 5x plus 4. So basically here they didn't ask for the solution set. They have asked to arrange the steps. Okay, that is given. এবার এই ইনইকুয়েশনটা সলভ করতে গেলে প্রথমে আমরা প্রথম স্টেপ কি হয়, আমি যেটা শিখিয়েছি আগেই, যে এটাকে ভেঙে লিখতে হবে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু রিরাইট দিস ওয়ান। সো এটা থেকে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি, 5x plus 4 greater than 5x minus 4, or 5x plus 4 that is less than minus 5x plus 4. Okay, so that means option B, right, this one. So B will be the first one. Okay, now after that we will consider this one. Okay, this one. If you consider this one, then D will be the next one. So BD, that means option A, and এখান থেকেই আমরা বলে দিতে পারছি, তাও আমি বাকি দুটো স্টেপ কি কি হবে সেটাও বলে দিচ্ছি। 5x plus 4 is less than minus 5x plus 4. তো এটাকে যদি আমরা এই মাইনাস 5xটাকে এদিকে আনলে কি হবে, 10x, 5x plus 5x, that will be 10x, that is less than, এই 4টাকে যদি আমরা ওদিকে নিয়ে যাই, 4 minus 4, that will be 0. So 10x less than 0, এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের নেক্সট স্টেপ, তার মানে এটা হচ্ছে A, রাইট? তার মানে ঠিকই যাচ্ছি। BD, B হলো আগে, then D, then A, BDA, last one will be x, এটার মানেই x less than 0, 10x less than 0, that means x less than 0, তার মানে এটা হচ্ছে D, sorry, C, okay, C. So this will be the answer. A, option A will be the answer. Okay, now see this question. Find the range of real values of x if real values of x, that means replacement set of x is R. Okay, Now this one. So first, if you write it, কিভাবে লিখতে পারো? -2 - 3x that is less than 9 - x that is less than 2 - 3x. ঠিক আছে? Now from here you can write like this. আচ্ছা, এবার দুটোকে আলাদা আলাদাভাবে করছি। ওকে, তো -2 + 3x লেস দ্যান 9 - x, এই পোর্শনটাকে যদি আমরা আলাদাভাবে করি তাহলে কি আসে? ভ্যারিয়েবলগুলোকে একদিকে নিয়ে নেব, তাহলে 4x হয়ে যাবে, 3x প্লাস এটা এদিকে আসলে প্লাস অফ x, তো 4x ইজ লেস দ্যান 9 + 2, 9 + 2, so 4x less than 11, that means x less than 11/4. আচ্ছা, এই পার্টটাকে যদি আমরা আলাদাভাবে করি, 9 - x is less than 2 - 3x, তো x কে যদি আমরা আলাদাভাবে বা ভ্যারিয়েবল পার্টটাকে আলাদাভাবে করি, তো -3x এটা এদিকে নিয়ে এলে কি হবে? +3x - x that is less than 2 - 9, এটাকে এদিকে নিয়ে গেছি, 3x - x 2x less than -7. ওকে, x less than -7/2, x less than 11/4, দুটো জিনিস পাচ্ছি এখান থেকে। x less than 11/4, x less than -7/2। এবার 11/4 এর থেকে -7/2 ছোট, তার মানে খুব স্বাভাবিকভাবে এই রেঞ্জটাই আমাদের গ্রান্ট করতে হবে। তো -∞ -7/2 এটাই হবে।
This was today's video. In today's video we have discussed what is absolute value, and we have solved lot of questions related to absolute value in case of linear inequations. Now in my previous video we have already discussed about linear inequations and the rules to compute the solution set. If you change replacement set, how it affect to solution set, and we have done some problems. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click bell icon. Wait, another thing I want to mention. In my next video I am going to discuss the entire concept of interval. That will help you to solve lot of MCQs and other problems.